Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money on YouTube. So if you're interested in this video, please stick around. Hey guys, it's me Alicia, aka Voted Best Hair. Thank you so much for joining me if you are a returning subscriber, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. Hopefully by the end of the video you'll want to subscribe. Alright guys, so if you read the title of the video, you already know that I got my first check from YouTube. Only took me 2 years. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of my subscribers, you guys that have been here from the very beginning, and some of my new subscribers. It's crazy how my following has really kind of picked up. These days I'm getting anywhere from like 5 to 10 subscribers a day. Before I would maybe get one every couple of weeks. So that's really, really cool, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. I know you guys came on so you could learn how to earn money on YouTube, so here it goes. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to become a YouTube partner. Now this is new within the last several months. They have created this new program to kind of eliminate impersonators and scammers and things like that. So you have to become a YouTube partner, which means that you have to get 4,000 views within the last 12 months and have 1,000 subscribers. Once you have done that, you will become a YouTube partner. Once you become a YouTube partner, they will allow you to monetize your videos, which means that they will then start inserting ads onto your videos, and that is the way that you earn revenue. So you're starting to earn revenue, but in order to get paid, you have to make at least $100. That's their threshold in order to get paid. That is hard to do. It really took me 2 years to reach that $100 revenue. I just did not have the views. So again, I want to thank you guys as my subscribers for all the views. I think my Denman brush video really catapulted me over to the amount of views that I was getting, and so I was able to reach the $100 threshold a couple months ago. So once you've reached the threshold and you want to get paid, what you'll have to do is go onto the Google AdSense website and create an account. I did this probably about a year ago, but I didn't have the account verified. So you do have to verify your Google AdSense account. They're going to ask you for your address. Once they get your address, they'll send you a PIN. This is the piece of mail I got from Google AdSense where they gave me my PIN. Once you get that PIN, you're then going to add the PIN into the website to verify that you actually did get the PIN and that is your correct address. Once you've done that, they're going to ask you for your W-2 information because yes, Uncle Sam is going to get his money, okay? So once you have given your tax information, then you have the opportunity to provide them with your bank account information. Now, I decided just to do like a direct deposit, but I believe you can do a check too, so they can mail you a check. So obviously, if I was a little bit more diligent, if I was making more videos, more on a consistent basis, I would be able to generate more views and get paid more often. It just hasn't really been that easy for me creating the time to do content, and I don't want to just put anything out there. I want to put quality content out. That's why I guess people will do 3 videos a week every week. I just don't have the time for that, but now that I see how it actually works, I probably will try to be a lot more consistent. My goal is to do 1 video a week and upload it on Friday for you guys, and we'll see. I think you probably have to get at least like 70,000 views a month to reach that $100 threshold. So yeah, that's a lot. It's a lot. So but yeah, that's how you make money on YouTube, guys. I know a lot of YouTubers who have, millions of subscribers make money also off of sponsorships and partnerships and things like that. I have been lucky enough to get some free products. I have become a brand ambassador through YouTube. And so I really appreciate all the doors that YouTube has opened for me. Like I said, this was just something kind of for me, something that I could say that I'm doing, that I'm, being creative and doing the things that I love. And so that's why I do it. The money is cool and all, who knew I could make money off of talking about hair? So I'm very, very grateful. I love you guys for subscribing and all of the support. And you know, we're just gonna keep on trekking on. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you are not already a subscriber and you'd like to hear more about what I have to say about natural hair, please click the subscribe button as well as the bell so you'll be notified of all of my new videos. And until next time, guys, seize your destiny and have fun doing it. Bye.